Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious waffle mixture, step by step. First, let's combine our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. Make sure these are thoroughly mixed to ensure even distribution throughout your waffles. This initial step is crucial for a consistent and tasty batter. Next, we'll prepare the wet ingredients. In a separate medium bowl, whisk 2 large eggs until they are light and slightly frothy. Then, add 1 3/4 cups of milk, a half cup of melted unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gently combine these liquids, ensuring everything is well incorporated. Having your wet ingredients at room temperature helps prevent lumps when mixing with the dry. Now it's time to bring everything together for your perfect waffle batter. Slowly pour the wet mixture into the bowl with your dry ingredients. Using a whisk or a spatula, stir gently until just combined. It's important not to overmix, as this can develop the gluten too much, resulting in tough waffles. A few small lumps are completely fine and often lead to a lighter texture. Finally, for the best results, let your waffle batter rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This short resting period allows the flour to fully hydrate and the gluten to relax, which contributes to a more tender and flavorful waffle. Once rested, preheat your waffle iron and cook your waffles according to its instructions until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Enjoy your homemade waffles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.